Make a great choice today with the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.